Good evening, Dr. Smith. My name is Kristen Meadows, and I'm a student in your online technical communications course for the spring 2010 semester. I will be updating you on my progress of our formal recommendation report. And like you assigned, I looked at 4 different documents and analyzed them in accordance with Markel's guidelines set forth in our textbook, Technical Communications. I have managed to analyze all 4 examples, yet I'm not completely finished with my formal recommendation report. Now I will begin my analysis with the Florida Forest Stewardship webpage. I decided that this webpage meets most of Markel guidelines for effective webpage design and communication. It clearly allows the reader to follow each portion of the website. The webpage is set up to target a certain audience, which are forest property owners. It clearly and effectively explains to them how to manage their forest property to its maximum potential. But I do find that the webpage is not very accessible to every reader. It wasn't easy for me to find, so I'm assuming that it wouldn't be easy for another reader to find. And I have very little to recommend for this webpage. All I recommend is that it needs to be more accessible to readers, and it failed to meet Markel's guidelines and criteria for that reason. Now I will move on to my analysis of the packing instructions for the Xbox consoles. I decided that these instructions meet some of Markel's guidelines and criteria for effective and relevant instructions. It allows the readers to comprehend what is being asked to do concerning their Xbox console. The instructions are created in an open-area design without being completely overloaded with too much information. While the instructions clearly relate the graphics to the text, I find that it fails to use effective and appropriate line spacing as well as appropriate text size. The text size is too small and the line spacing is not enough. If the text size was increased and the line spacing was a little more spaced out, then the reader would not have a problem reading the text. The text is too small, so it makes it harder for the reader to read. So I recommend that they increase the text size and appropriately space the lines. Now I will move on to my analysis of the healthcare reform. I decided while the healthcare reform meets most of Markel's criteria for effective relative design and communication, it has issues with its list construction. While it allows the readers to identify which part of the healthcare reform will affect them, it's hard for the reader to follow the reform article because of how the lists are constructed. The lists are constructed with inappropriate spacing and small headings. I recommend that the lists need to be changed. If the headers of each section of the list are larger, it will be easier for the reader to skip over most of the article to find how the reform will affect them. Also, I find that the reform affects one group of people and then it affects another and there's no line spacing in between. So I see that the article needs space between the end of one list and the beginning of another. It will make the configuration as well as the construction of the article clearer and easier to read. Lastly, I will give my analysis of the article Living and Working in China. I find that this article meets all of Markel's requirements and criteria for effective communication, design, and layout. This article effectively uses an introduction to properly state the scope, origin, and purpose of this article, and the article properly addresses information with appropriate headings. The authors of this article make reading the article simple and easy to do. After fully reading, analyzing, and researching this article, I find that there are no recommendations that are needed to make this article more effective and relevant than it is. So far, I have managed to complete my analysis of all 4 examples as you assigned. 3 of the 4 meet some of Markel's criteria and fail to meet some more of his criteria. The only one that meets Markel's requirements fully is the article Living and Working in China. To date, I am still currently working on my formal recommendation report, and I have still the front matter and back matter to attend to. Considering how I struggled at the beginning, I feel now that I fully understand technical communications and have analyzed the 4 examples according to Markel's guidelines.